Hello dear friends. Nowadays we are celebrating many festivals. Last week already we have learned how to make beautiful toran and decorate your door. So coming week we are going to learn how to make beautiful rangoli without using rangoli powder. So exciting. Let's do. Children, for this rangoli activity we required one drawing paper 1 feet by 1 feet approximately. If you don't have this much big drawing paper, you can join two papers together and can make a. These are the colorful craft paper with one side white. Fevicol, scissor. I am doing directly with the sketch pen, but you have to do with the pencil. This is different type of rangoli. We are not using rangoli powder. We are using craft papers and decorative material to complete this rangoli. First I have taken this blue color paper, hold it in a kite shape, hold it exactly in the middle. Then we have to do the origami folds. Rotate it, one more fold, 2, 3 times you have to do this fold. Now after that we are going to draw design here and then we are going to cut according to the design. Whichever shape you like, you can draw the shape. And in that way only we are going to cut it. Now with the help of scissor, I will cut all those shapes step by step. And we are not going to throw these small parts which I have cut now, that we are going to use to decorate our rangoli. I have finished the cutting part. Another type of design also I will tell you. You can use these types of rangolis in any festival. The same method you have to use. First hold like a kite, then fold it in the middle, rotate it, then from down you have to fold 2 times. We have finished. Now the last one with the third time. In this way only we have to do all those folds. Now here if I want to do like this rangoli in Diwali festival, so I will draw a shape like diya. From this side also, but each and every shape you have to do it separately. See, only half of the portion you have to draw of that particular object, because when you will cut it, automatically after opening it, it will come symmetrical. I will teach you how to do the flower, equal flowers. First you have to divide this craft paper into 4 equal parts by folding it in the middle. First cut all these 4 parts. See, first fold, then second, and then third. Always you have to remember, from this open side you have to do the cutting part. Now I will draw one shape of petal like this, and then I will cut it. Now with the help of this part, remaining all 4 petals also I will collect. I have finished all the 4 flowers. Now let's arrange this rangoli. First, exactly in the middle, I am going to see. First I will open it. See, when you will open it, then you will get idea. Now this is the yellow color paper. So first I will paste one dark color paper below that. You have to apply the glue from all sides, and exactly in the middle of page you will paste this craft paper. See, approximately I have taken the measurement with my hand, so you can do like that. Now when we will paste this dark paper, this yellow color will look beautiful on it. See, I have drawn the shape of Samai and Diya, Panti you can say. Now again with the same process, I will apply the glue for this paper and I will paste this yellow color paper on the pink color paper. Don't apply so much glue, otherwise the paper will get tear, because this paper is little bit thin. So you have to be careful while applying the glue. You can decorate this type of rangoli and you can arrange it in every festival. Like in Diwali, every day you can change the rangoli. Back to back also you can do. Now I will open these flowers in the same way, apply the glue, and I am going to paste it all the four side corners of that square. I told you, don't throw these cuttings. Now you can use these cuttings here to decorate it. See, one by one I will first arrange it. Now see children, this cutting only I have used to decorate this part, and this form of diya, that also I have pasted above that. See, no need to waste any part. Each and every part we are using to decorate our rangoli. Now to decorate this remaining part, first which paper we have taken and draw and cut, that I am going to use. See, I will cut this part in the middle and from both the sides, and this part I am going to use here, and then I will stick it to decorate my rangoli. In the same way, only just you have to give one cut where you have folded it, or anyhow you can decorate it, and then I will arrange it. See, now again with the same process, apply the glue and stick all the parts. Only the thing you have to be very careful, because this paper is little bit thin. See, now this part also we can use anywhere. Here we will use like this, or if you want to use like this, it's up to you how you are going to decorate it. I have these also small parts which I have taken from this blue color paper, so I will arrange these parts beside this form and then I will stick it. So you can decorate anyhow. If you want to use it any other side, these forms you can use. See, I have this cutting also from this form I have taken. Now I will stick this part here, because already yellow and red is here, so if we will use blue, it will look more good with yellow color and with blue color. Two only paper we have cut with kirigami method, and these flowers we have made with the red color, and so many designer parts we are getting, because we have not thrown the parts which we have cut it. That only parts we are using. See, such a beautiful rangoli. We have used only 3 papers, and with the help of 3 papers we have created a nice and beautiful rangoli. So children, you can make like this many types of rangoli. Even you can use kundans, mirrors, glasses, pearls to decorate this. But now only it is looking very beautiful. It is not necessary to use all kind of this material. But still, if you want, you can decorate. Even you can decorate this side border also if you want. This side border, you can paste any type of lace if you have. You can use that also. In the same way, I have prepared one more design for you all that I will show you. See, it is another type of rangoli. Here I have made pantis. In Diwali festival you can use like this pantis and decorate your rangoli. You can cover it with plastic sheet, then it will be durable. You can keep it in the folder nicely, and whenever you are using this, you can take out and use it. So make these types of beautiful rangolis and give a nice and pleasant surprise to your family members and make your festivals more beautiful. Enjoy rangoli making activity. Thank you, dear children.